Hi students, this is another important problem in maximum minimum concept. Here it is given that the maximum area of rectangle whose two vertices lie on x-axis and two lie on the curve y is equal to 3 minus modulus of x. We need to find out the area of the rectangle. We need to find out area of rectangle whose vertices lie on x-axis and two lie on this curve, which means if you draw Cartesian plane, two-dimensional plane, it is the origin, and here the line shows that for positive values of x this is equal to, for x greater than 1, for x greater than 0, the line given curve here is y is equal to 3 minus 2x. For x greater than 0, y is equal to 3 minus x. That means for y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. That means it intersects the coordinate axis at 3, 0 and 0, 3. This is the line equation to the right side of to the positive x-axis. And here by taking a modulus y is equal to 3 minus modulus of x we need. That means we take the mirror image of positive x-axis. Whatever the curve in the positive direction of x-axis, whenever it takes the modulus, it should be its reflection. So the given curve is y is equal to 3 minus modulus of x is shown in the graph. It is the y is equal to modulus of the x. This is shaded portion. It is the required line. Now here we want to find out the rectangular area whose vertices lie on x-axis. Suppose two vertices, we have to consider a rectangle. Two of its vertices lie on x-axis. Suppose you can take anywhere. Suppose if you are taking two vertices here this is intersecting a coordinate axis at 2 points. They are not vertices. Here this is 3, 0. It will be minus 3, 0. It passes. So we have to consider 2 points on x-axis. If you take two vertices A and B here, the two vertices on the line can be here and here, so that it forms a rectangle area. Anywhere you can take. Suppose if you are taking the 2 points here A and here B, then two vertices lie on x-axis. The other should be taken on the curve. So AB, CD. This is C, this is D. So that there should be a rectangle in this way. So we need to find out this rectangle area. Whatever the rectangle here given, we need to find out that rectangle area. Means this shaded portion we need to find out. This is the required rectangle area. So in order to find out rectangular area, we need length and breadth. So it is from origin, let it be at a distance x. It should be the same distance. So from the figure we notice that from the figure A, B, C, D will be a required rectangle. So length AB is equal to it is OA is equal to x and OB is also x, as length is AB is equal to x plus x, 2x, and breadth is equal to AD is equal to, it is distance, this distance is to be taken. The point is x comma y. Suppose if it is x distance, this distance will be y. This is the point on the curve. x comma y. So it will be y. This y coordinate will be y. So area is equal to, area of the rectangle is equal to, area of rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth, that is 2x into y. As y is equal to, by the definition, 3 minus 2x. As y is equal to 3 minus 2x, that is equal to area of, let it be a of x. 2x into y means 3 minus x. 3 minus x, that is equal to 6x minus 2x square. This is area. Now we have to find out its maximum area. So that to find maximum or minimum, to find maximum or minimum, we have to find a dash of x is equal to 0, which implies a dash of x is equal to, a dash of x here is equal to 6 minus 4x. So which implies a dash of x is equal to 0 implies 6 minus 4x is equal to 0, which means 4x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3 by 2. It is the stationary point. At which value, at this value, the function has either maximum or minimum. To find out either maximum or minimum, we have to find a double dash of x. For maximum or minimum, we have to find a double dash of x. A dash of x is equal to 6 minus 4x. A double dash of x is equal to minus 4, less than 0. Therefore, a of x has maximum area yet x is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, the maximum area is equal to, maximum area is equal to, area is already we calculated 2x into 3 minus 6. Therefore, maximum area is equal to 2 into x means 3 by 2 minus 2x into 3 minus 6, 3 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 2 to cancel, 3 into 3 by 2, which is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2 square units is the maximum area.